Just got to our next little apartment that we're staying here. I mean, it is so rad. Packing up, guys. I'm actually really not happy about it. Really loved everything about this apartment. But the time has come. We're moving on to a new place that I'm actually really excited about. So it's kind of bittersweet because we're leaving this epic place that we've gotten so comfortable in. And going.
You'd think that would get easier for you.
And I feel like every time I zip it, it's bigger, but I'm not adding anything to it. If anything, we've subtracted. So it's like, why does it feel like it's bigger?
That thing's looking a little worse for wear.
You guys, this bag, first of all, is old. Like, it's not like we got brand new bags before we left on this adventure, but it definitely has a lot more scars.
Where's Big Denty?
This one being the biggest. We will forever have Ryanair. Look, it's like cracking. Hey, Away, if you happen to see this video, all I want for Christmas is a new bag.
They'll replace it. We just have to send it in.
I think they will replace it. We just have to send it in, and I can't send it in.
We kind of need it.
I need it. Everything I own and live in for the last 7 months is in this bag. 7 months, you guys. Literally, it will be 7 months since we left home.
Aww.
That's a long time.
7 months.
7 whole months. Our pool looks so inviting right now.
That's okay.
We might be getting another one.
Oh my gosh. Guys, it is the Christmas season upon us, and it's honestly been pretty hard being out here away from family, away from our precious little pup, away from our home during the holiday season.
We definitely really miss our families, but I think it's safe to say that our little Louie, we may look at more photos of him than our families. Sorry, families.
Oh my gosh. I am stoked though that Jared and Britt are at Chelle's mom's house. They're getting some good video of Louie playing with their little pup Finn, and honestly, it's killing us.
Yeah, it really is. And Louie's like obsessed with Jared. He loves him. I dare say more than us.
True love.
Like, he's obsessed with Jared. And it's really freaking cute. So I am very glad that they're getting some love there.
Even though we're a little bit bummed about not being home during the Christmas season, we're definitely not bummed about where we're heading to right now. We're all packed up though, we're ready to hit the road. You're probably wondering how you're gonna get all these suitcases there on the Harley. Kind of annoying. We're getting a car to put Chelle and the suitcases in it, and I'm gonna ride behind them.
Our lovely Airbnb is sending us a car to pick us up, well, pick me up and the bag. So I'm gonna be hanging out with the driver while Daniel follows us on the motorcycle.
I'm stoked about it. We got another beautiful sunny day. Should be a nice, fun ride. Sorry you get stuck in the car, but we'll go for a ride later.
Whatever, I got AC in there. Listen to some tunes.
I actually wore sunscreen today, so we're ready to go.
I know, we don't wanna get, yeah. Well, you're in the thing, yeah. Okay.
Second gear ride all the way out of Canggu. There's a lot of traffic up in here, so many scooters, a lot of cars today. Kind of nice. I'm just following Chelle in this big silver van with this massive, I don't know what kind of stickers on the back, but it's easy to see. He just kind of clears the way for me. I just follow him, but it's beautiful. I am so hot, sweating like crazy. I'm sure glad I got sunscreen on today. My arms are just sweating. But this is awesome, guys. We're going by so many temples, so many rad Balinese style buildings, like right here. Just everywhere. We're going up in the heart of Bali, way up towards the center into Ubud. More in the jungle than we have been. I'm stoked about it. Mrs. Chelle on the back here, she's up comfortable in the van. Hopefully she's comfortable. Probably more comfortable in there with the air conditioner for sure. But this has been so sick. All the scooters weaving around me and grab. Someone's gonna get food delivered real quick and they're gonna be real happy about that. Definitely a little bit of a long ride. ride from Canggu up to Ubud, about an hour and a half with the traffic. Probably less than half of that if there wasn't any traffic. But we're finally getting a few stretches where I get up into second, third gear. The wind feels amazing. Get some cloud cover. The bike's comfortable though. I could sit on this thing all day long and be totally fine. We're getting outside of town. Everything is opening up. The traffic has gone way down. The roads are clear. We're moving way quicker now, and it's beautiful. Sometimes I just shut the engine off at stoplights. It's so hot. I just like to give it a little time to cool down, because when we're not moving, this thing's not cooling down at all. We're at a stoplight right now though. Got Chelle right there in the silver van. Look at this. Look at all these buildings. It's insane. This place is just incredibly beautiful. And this guy. He's pretty too. Baby bottle. We made it.
We made it. You are so
Let's check
sweaty.
this place out.
Oh
really?
my god.
Oh yeah.
You're soaked. Look at you. Can I show your butt?
Yeah, let me give you this.
Let's see, babe. Oh, you look like you peed your pants from the back.
I swear I didn't. It's just sweat,
It's
guys.
a little
it's
warm.
just sweat.
It's a little warm. The bike made it though.
There we go. Let me get dressed up a little bit. All right. Guys, we made it to the next house we're staying in. Let's go check this sucker out.
You guys, we have made it up to Ubud. Just got to our next little apartment that we're staying here. I mean, I was sad to leave our last one in Canggu. I'm still sad. I love that place and I will forever remember that place. But this place is making it easy to not be super sad. It is so rad. Let me show you around. Step inside our little oasis here. We have the most beautiful little infinity pool here. This pool's big. This isn't just like a plunge pool, you guys. This is a big pool. I mean, you can swim laps on this thing. Overlooking the gorgeous jungle here in our backyard. We got a nice little seating area. This is where Daniel will sit and watch me swim and
Oh
play in the
boy,
water.
whatever. I'm getting in that as soon as we're done filming this.
We got a sweet little swing here.
That looks beautiful.
Watch it break. Oh!
I love it.
Step inside now to the beautiful apartment. Here we are inside the master suite, if you will. I'm trying to decide if I think this is like a mother-in-law suite or something, because there actually seems to be like a main house up above us. I don't know, we didn't really explore that. We just walked past it when our guy was bringing us down here. But this is our master suite, and I'm in heaven. We have a giant, gorgeous bed. Let me tell you, the beds in Asia so far, granted we've slept in 4 of them now, they all beat every single bed we slept on for the previous 6 months in Europe, in Africa, all the places that we have been. These 4 beds that we have slept on in Asia, they like rival our bed at home. They are so comfortable and I love it. I just love having a comfy bed. We've got a gorgeous bed here. We've got a huge little area for me to do whatever. I don't know. We've got a nice little kitchen area here. Dining table. I don't know, maybe we'll cook up a little dinner. I don't know, maybe we'll get crazy. Over here might be my favorite part. this nice seating chair here. I really want one of these.
That thing's
I
beautiful.
think it's so cool and it's really comfortable. It's like one of those things where you're not sure like, oh, maybe it's just pretty, but it's not that comfy. No, it's actually very comfortable. So, love this. Out here we have another balcony overlooking our jungle.
I love our jungle out there.
Welcome to the jungle. We have a full kitchen here. They even left us some little welcome snacks. And in here we have quite possibly the most beautiful master ensuite bathroom maybe ever. We have a giant shower, huge sink, giant tub. I'm not a tub person, but maybe I'll take a tub. I don't know. And then this window that looks out over this iconic jungle, and it's just like, wow. I don't ever want to close these shades. I don't think anyone's peeping on us, hopefully not. It's too beautiful. It's way too beautiful.
I had a quick change of wardrobe after that ride here, but I cannot wait to get into this pool. This is just a private little pool just for us right here at our home for the next few days. This is not it, guys. We also have a patio area back here. Let's go check it out. Or you can go that way. Not sure what the door's for. But we also have this patio area back here. More seats to sit in, swings to sit on, and it has this whole netting out here that you can throw a towel down, lay on, I guess, if you want. This is pretty big. Like, Chelle's way back there. This is awesome. They even have a shrine right here on the property. This is unbelievable. This was 1000% worth the sweaty ride up here. The moment we've all been waiting for. At least we've been waiting for. I don't know if you've all been waiting for it. Time to get in this pool. I'm so stoked about it. It feels so amazing.
How deep is it? Are you gonna submerge the camera here?
Oh, it's kind of deep.
Cold?
No, it feels great.
Tidal wave!
Tidal wave over the end of the infinity pool.
Oh, this feels good.
Oh, wow.
Oh, it feels so good.
You know, I think I can count on one hand the number of infinity pools I've been in my life.
This one might win.
Is it one? Have I been in other infinity pools? This is incredible. This view is just unbeatable. We even had a pool guy here just a little bit ago, cleaning it all out for us.
Oh, it feels so good.
I know. I'm still overheated from the ride. I probably need to get down underneath.
Oh my god.
Here's to 7 months of travel.
7 months of travel. Cheers.
We're still alive. We just had the sun go down back there. You can still see him. He's not down quite yet. Incredibly beautiful though, guys. We're stoked to be here for a couple days.
This apartment was honestly the greatest find. It's not even an apartment. We're like in our own little house here. This little house was the greatest find. We are so excited to be here. We cannot wait to explore more of the Ubud area here in Bali. We know there's a lot and we're excited. We're a little overwhelmed because we do know that there's so much, and I feel like every time we go someplace new, there's always so much that we want to see, so much we want to do, and it's like, how do you ever fit it all in unless you're staying for like 5 months? Well, we can't stay in Bali for 5 months. But you guys, we're so excited to be here, so excited to explore. Thank you for coming along this epic journey with us. We love y'all so much, and we'll see you in our next video.
See you guys.